Look at Pedro.
Pedro, you have to get off because Buddy's putting his headphones on.
It's like,
Hey?
yeah, what about it?
You're going to get off my hat?
Yeah.
Hey, baby P?
What about it? Look at him.
Aren't you going to let me put my headphones on? Hey, baby P? Hey? You're looking at me like you're getting scared. I'm going to chase you off my hat.
Scared. Oh.
Hey?
You want to come, baby P? Come.
Hey? You don't want to?
This is how stubborn he is. Come on, Pedro. Come. Look at his mouth going.
Yeah.
Buh.
No, you don't want to come.
Come.
You let Daddy put the headphones on. Hey? You have a big stretch.
I'm going to bite you. Come. You don't love mommy anymore. You haven't said hello to me this morning yet. Hey, baby P, you haven't said hello to mommy yet. Why did you not say hello? Come. Ouch! He loves me, but yet when
he wants to stay on my hat.
He wants to do
Daddy.
something. You can't stop him. You can't. He's a very stubborn bird. Look, I'm gonna bite you.
You're an idiot bird. Huh? You an idiot bird? Huh? Beep beep beep.
Oh, kiss mom.
Kiss kiss. Kiss kiss.
Cutie bird. Kiss. But if it's kiss, he doesn't. Okay, kiss mommy birdie bird. Tickle. Tickle, Pedro. Tickle. Oh, kiss. Mwah. Okay. Mommy gonna go out now. Bye, baby P. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look what Pedro's done. My cork board. Look. There's a little poopy there. Look, he chewed it all up and there's another poopy there. So, goes to show, he just sat in the middle of it and then went around and chew up all this cork. This is for my food pot, whatever. Look at that. Oh my goodness, Pedro. Oh my lordy. Okay, now this one's no good anymore. We got to use this now. Oh, actually the other side's still good. So I just washed that. Look at that. This is what happens when you go gardening for half an hour. Pedro just chews up everything. Baby P, what did you do? Did you eat mommy's cork board? Come here. I gave you a whole heap of grass already. Look at your grass there. Hey, you got lots of fresh grass. What did you do? Hello? Hey, Pedro, what did you do? Look at this. Hey, look at this. Look what you've done here. Look what you've done here. Look at this. What's this? Come here. Come. What did you do here? Look at that. Hey, look at that. What's this mess? What's this mess here? Look at him. What did you do? What did you do, Pedro? Did you do all of that? Did you make a mess? Did you eat mommy's cork board? Hey? What did you do? Hey? Why'd you do that?
I know, baby. You're scared.
Oh, just run to daddy. Run to daddy. Hey?
Run to daddy. Hey?
Why did you do that? Hey, you're a messy bird. Hey, you're a destructive bird. You destroy everything, aren't you? Hey, look at you. Hey? He knows he's in trouble. Because normally he's
Daddy will
fat.
save you. Huh?
Yeah, I know. Look at him. He's like, oh. Okay. Mommy still loves you.